Boot season is just around the corner. Have you picked your Chelsea boots yet? Many of our customers love the Eastwood style, especially in oxblood. The hand burnishing really sets it apart. Oxblood adds a rich pop of colour, matching or contrasting your outfit effortlessly. Handcrafted in Italy by artisan bootmakers, Eastwood updates the classic Chelsea boot with beautiful, sweeping lines. It's comfortable, versatile and relaxed. Perfect worn casually or suited up. Eastwood comes in 12 leather colours. Our favourites are Thomas Bird Blue, Tan and of course Oxblood. Eastwood also comes in 6 suede colours. Always popular are the grey and the brown suede. The Vibram rubber sole was a fantastic addition to the range. Extra grip